Please welcome TJ the Power Doherty.
Hindi rin pala basta-basta ang boksingерong si Teji Doheny dahil ang malapit na kaibigan ni Naoya Inoue na si Javit Lilamido na tumalo kay Inoue sa kanilang sparring ay first round lang ang itinagal kay Teji Doheny. Brutal na pagkatalo ang sinapit ng kaibigan ni Inoue. Matutunghayan natin ang laban ni Naoya Inoue kontra kay Juan Carlos Payano noong October 7, 2018 sa Yokohama, Japan, na kung saan malaki ang pagkakahawig ng estilo kay Teji Doheny ang kalaban ni Inoue, pero nagwagi pa rin si Naoya Inoue sa isang brutal na panalo. Eto naman ang laban ni Teji Doheny kontra sa maalamat na Meksikano na si Jesus Martinez. Sa husay ni Teji Doheny ay nawasak ang Meksikano. Sa loob lamang ng 5 round ng kanilang bakbakan, knockout ang Meksikanong kalaban.
Suarez and that one's obviously put him over. Step back, bang. There wasn't much in the first one.
Really was. I've chatted to him and the team quite a bit over the course of the week. We just kept on.
Noong labanan naman ni Naoya Inoue si Stephen Fulton, nag-iba na talaga ang galawan ni Inoue. Bagamat kampyon at dekalibreng boksingero si Stephen Fulton, ay nagawa pa rin ni Naoya Inoue na siya ay patumbahin at wasakin, dahilan upang itigil na ng referee ang kanilang laban. Eto naman ang laban na kung saan tinalo ni Teiji Doheny ang pinakasikat na Hapon na boksingero noon sa Japan na si Ryusuke Iwasa ang nag-knockout kay Marlon Tapales. Bugbog sarado dito ang Hapon na boksingero dahil kay Teiji Doheny napigilan niya ang pagsikat nito.
Give a bonus to the pump man of Doheny. That's what matters right now. Now, as I talked about, he's neutralizing the longer jab of Iwasa, doing a good thing. Career wins as an amateur, 3 championships. Doheny 19-0, 14 knockout of fight. Looking to become a serious contender. That's what you gotta do. And now fast and furious. You're gonna hit them. Remarkable story pertaining to Doheny. Left being challenged, nose is being pushed here. Then he has to keep the title. And now a nation with a pair of uppercuts that gets Doheny momentarily. Much even, 29 to 28% of the champion Iwasa. And a strong body shot to the left side. And Doheny says to Iwasa, show me something, champion. 3 seconds left in this 8th round. Worker, he's tripped high up. Straight jab met by the over left by the southpaw in Doheny. Last for career. Championship rounds, baby. Better be talking, motivating, minding Doheny in the corner. Iwasa the uppercut. Overhand rises. Now he's got Doheny falling to the ground. Doheny's lightning bolt out of the sky. He's going to need a blind punt. Doheny trying to establish. That's what he's trying to do. Body shot. You see what he's trying to do? Seemingly a desperate man with 35 seconds left to go. This is what Iwasa looking to hold on to the title. His 12th and final round of this championship bout.
현 챔피언 TJ The Power.
Isa sa pinaka-impresibong laban ni Naoya Inoue ay ang labanan niya si Emmanuel Rodriguez ng Puerto Rico. Pero katulad ng sinapit ng ibang boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang sinapit niya sa Hapon na boksingero. Bata pa dito si Naoya Inoue, kaya baka ngayong may edad na si Inoue, baka masilat na siya ni Doheny.
Spectacular. Oh, almost a macho battle in these 40 seconds. Good sinking shot to the body from this. Heavy bombs have landed already. Rodriguez, I think, from the go. That's the way it should be, Carl.
Yeah, now it's lower birds and in a way just on the fight on.
Rodriguez has of a man who is used to being on his feet. We anticipated the more score and solid punches have come from the round though, Manny Rodriguez. Oh, this way. And he's slapped on his way. He's in a fearsome flurry. And he's done it. He's got it for the left arm in his career. Rodriguez in the second. In the right above us, he'll dust down. He's ready to go again, is Rodriguez. Here comes Inoue. Don't take much more than that. Surely Rodriguez is shaking it. Get your gloves on. Inoue is waiting.
2 minutes to go, Jim.
This is unbelievable for Inoue. 3rd time he's gone down. Rock to the core. Another count. It's over. Zander waves it off in the second. Shoto Japanese. Lights out. Defiably so. We wonder what would happen when he came out of Japan. We would have punches landed. Rodriguez shuddered. First knockdown, Carl.
That was a great shot.
Well, to get up there from...
Oh, what a shot. And a big long left.
Eto na talaga ang exclamation point nang in-knockout ni Teiji Doheny ang best friend ni Inoue na si Japit Lilamido. Ito yung napabalitang tumalo kay Naoya Inoue sa kanilang sparring, kaya mahihirapan talaga dito si Naoya Inoue kay Teiji Doheny. Isa ka rin ba sa naniniwala na ito na ang katapusan ni Naoya Inoue sa professional boxing at si Teiji Doheny na ang nakatadhana na tumalo sa kanya?